Welcome to Miami.
Welcome to National Medical Fellowship's inaugural national hybrid event, Reimagining Healthcare, celebrating equity change agents.
We are here because this, my friends, is a celebration. It is a celebration of change. It is a celebration that expresses the gratitude that we have for those of you who have stood shoulder to shoulder, arm in arm, hand in hand with us, as we have literally picked up the heavy needle of health equity and moved it up the steep hill of structural and systemic racism.
The COVID-19 pandemic has shown a spotlight on the systemic racism, injustice, and underrepresentation in our industry, and especially among leaders in medicine. We salute and support the work of CEO Micheline Davis and the entire NMF board.
NMF recognizes the public health threat of systemic racism. And we at Johnson & Johnson imagine a world where who is healthy and who is not, who receives medical interventions and who does not, who is reflected in clinical trials and who is left out, does not come down to the color of a person's skin.
Over the past 7 decades, National Medical Fellowship has served over 32,000 students with $42 million.
You are essentially funding the dreams of someone who fought for everything they ever had. And now I want to make a difference in the next generation. Your generosity goes farther than you could possibly imagine. It's not just about the money, man. It's about the impact. And let me confidently say that your giving made a monumental and lasting impact for me personally and for the city of New Orleans. I'm also a businessman with a nonprofit over $500,000, and I'm an NMF scholar. That's what you're donating to.
I am so excited to accept this award. I know that education is the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world, and I know that we are our ancestors' wildest dreams. They could not have imagined who we would become. So I ask that you continue to support NMF and look at what they offer and look at what they produce.
It is my honor, it is my privilege, it is my pleasure to not only be here tonight, but I want to dedicate this award to the students of tomorrow of NMF and those that come behind us that will lead this country and this world into our next generation of the lack of health equity, particularly in healthcare. God bless you. Thank you so very much.
This NMF is a new NMF. That today is a new day. Yes, we are going to be health equity warriors, but we are going to make certain that along this hard path that we're going to kick up our heels and have some fun. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you on the dance floor.